Hi, welcome to today's video. So today we want to talk about creating and repurposing a video to other highlighted portions of a video. So for example, if I scroll down on our channel, popular videos, we have this one that says it's 17 minutes and 2 seconds around there, whatever. So we want to take that one and let's get started. So what we want to do is first make sure it's in Google Drive. It's your video, it should be there. Otherwise, we start in Google Drive. So this is the same thing here. So I'll click that, Control C to copy, and we start there. So this is the version that's in my Google Drive. And to confirm it's right, it tells me the title, and it is. So the next question, number two, is, well, where do these new videos go? So I actually have a folder here. In this case, we don't want the ID, we just want the entire URL, just like the original video. So we come here, Control V or whatever to paste it. And then likewise, it confirms the name of the folder. In this case, it's called Playlist Videos. So clip intentions is number three. Our choices are either full or highlights. So the purpose of this is to get highlights. So we'll click highlights. Change quality format? No, we don't want to change the format. So whatever the original was, the smaller one should be the same. Create videos in Drive folder? Yes, I want to demo that today. Upload videos to YouTube? No, don't want to do that. In my demo today, create playlist for new videos as private? No, not today. So to start this, you just simply click automation. And so the goal here is to say, have parameters, columns, fields, and then click automation once. And then based on those answers, it knows what to automate and what not to automate. So in this case, it's creating video transcript. It takes about 3 minutes. Right now, it's taking the video from column 1, basically, right? It's taking that, and it's converting it to a audio. Something behind the scenes is called Whisper. On make.com, which is no code, they limit it to 25 megabyte size. It's either the video or the audio itself, but anyhow, it's restrictive. So what I'm doing here, I'm using some backend processing. There is no limits. It can be any size, which I mentioned here. So then, in this case, it will go for the next 3 minutes. I'm going to improve this to go less than 3 minutes, but right now it's 3 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, now it says creating highlights created, updated AI response column. I've got a couple columns hidden. It's for processing. We don't need to look at that right now. And now it's creating videos. So when it's creating the videos, it will go to our folder where it's supposed to go, which is here. So once that's done processing, we will see some files editing. So let's go back to here. It says now video transfer to GCS. That's some behind the scenes stuff. GCS in this example stands for Google Cloud Storage. Behind the scenes, I'm using buckets, but I realize putting it back in Google Drive makes the most sense. People like to see it in their Google Drive. So let's wait. Okay, now it's saying it's uploading segment 1 of 7. So in this case, the AI is saying, I found 7 key points of the video that I would like to share. So it's going to go 1 to 7, 2 to 7, 3 to 7, and so forth. So let's wait. Okay, now it's 7 of 7 and process completed. Then we get it from the back end to system message success, and it says it's done. So that's good. So now if we go back to the playlist, you see there's nothing here. So because it's Google Drive, you have to refresh it. And then we actually see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. Now, it is true that it does need to process. So it says it's still processing. Now, sometimes if you see something too small, it's because your prompt is allowing something too small, even though it does create the video. But in this case, the prompt doesn't allow that. So then this means that at this point, you can say, well, thanks for doing the automation of finding the highlights and putting it into Google Drive. Now I want to review, and I may want to put an intro in the beginning or something at the end. So that's basically the purpose of this demo. So if this interests you, you want to go to the description, click the button to join our community where this solution is provided for you if you join the community. If you want to skip joining the community and want to work directly with us, there's another link in the description. It costs more to go directly to us than it does going through the community, just to let you know. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.